YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I finally got some Kompa solo for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it easy, nice and easy Kompa solo on the 1-2. Let's get straight into it. If you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to Samuel Robles and this channel. Shout out to them as well. Let's get straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this channel.
Monte sous montagne, descendant vallée, pour côté le passé, l'allée, ça Jésus baroua,
As you can see, it's very easy and it goes nicely with the music. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the solo right now. It's very easy, very easy. First step, you put your hand on the 6, which is A, and the 5, which is G. We're in the key of C. So the first step is dun dun dun. You see it? A G A A G A D F. So basically 6 5 6 2 4 6 5 6 1 3. The reason I'm doing it in numbers for you guys is whatever key you're in. Let's say you're playing in the key of F. If you're in the key of F, for example, if you're in the key of F, you can easily just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and find your 6, 5, 6, and then find your 6, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, 1, 3, and you'll be able to do the same thing. Let me just demonstrate for you guys real quick. Now I'm in the key of F. 6 5 6 2 4 6 5 6 1 3. And if we count, we'll see it matches up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are 1. So let me go back to the key of C so you guys don't get confused. Y'all see it? Now all you gotta do now is just make it fit right with the music. That's it. Just match the music, go with the right timing. That's it. And if you want to give a little bit of spice, you can see that 8 7 6 or 1 7 6, but you do it on the higher octave, of course. 1 7 6. But you do it fast. That's it. I'm gonna do it slower. Now let me do it with the music and give you guys one last example, one last demonstration. Hopefully you guys were able to follow that, and if you had trouble keeping up, there's this little button right here. If you're on your phone, it's going to be somewhere else, but if you're on your computer, it's going to be right here. It's called settings. Click on that, playback speed, just slow it down. Just slow it down if you had trouble following what I was saying. Would you guys like, comment, and subscribe? Stay tuned till next time. I'll have another video for you guys next week.